In this guide, we're going over how you can change your radio station here in GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, you're going to need to be in some sort of vehicle to do this, whether you're in a car or a motorcycle or even a jet, airplane, whatever it might be. As long as you're in a vehicle, you'll be able to do this. But essentially, if you're on PC, you just have to press the minus key or the equals key. It's bound to either one of these. So go ahead and just do that and just cycle through your stations. You can also press Q, which will open up the radio wheel as well. Now, if you're on console, just press left on the D-pad to open up the radio wheel. And then from here, you can just choose, your station. Or you can also just disable the radio completely, depending on what you are currently doing. But the process really is as simple as that. So as you can see, if I get in a car real quickly, I'm currently on PC, I could just open up the radio wheel with Q and cycle through it just like so. Or I can also just quickly flip through it using the equal key or the plus key as well as the minus key as well. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.